Hello everyone and welcome to Grow Your Learning, your go-to source for insightful discussions on the latest trends and developments in the professional world. This week, our focus has been all on the agro-food evolution in developing countries. We've dedicated our efforts to briefly describe the fertile lands of developing nations, a silent revolution underway which is a transformation poised to reshape the agro-food processing industry. As global markets evolve, the revenue in the food market is projected to soar, with a staggering $9.13 trillion in 2024, growing steadily at 6.58% annually. Across developing countries like India, Bangladesh, and Vietnam, the agro-food processing sector is witnessing unprecedented growth. India, a major player in the industry, saw its export of agricultural and processed food products surge to nearly $51 billion in 2022-23. With over 41,000 food processors dotting the landscape, India is taking bold strides towards modernization. India is guided by initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Scheme, and the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme. The Indian government is fostering an environment ripe for investment and innovation. Meanwhile, in Bangladesh, the agro-food industry is a national priority. With approximately 1,000 food processors, the government is spearheading initiatives such as the National Agriculture Policy 2018 and the Bangladesh Good Agriculture Practices Policy 2020, aimed at bolstering the sector. The agri-food sector plays a major role in the Vietnamese economy, making a large contribution to national GDP and supporting half of all of the country's jobs in 2020. In Vietnam, a dynamic landscape of over 11,000 food processing companies fuel the economy. Valued at $73.8 billion in 2023, Vietnam's industry showcases remarkable resilience and potential. To support small and medium enterprises, the Vietnamese government has implemented policies fostering growth and sustainability. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to reach out with any topics you would like us to explore in future videos. You can also visit our website to contact us. Until next time, this is Grow Your Learning signing off.